nganze namuyimbwa bomanyinga bad black nvaayo kubanga njagala abantu bakyuke we change tetulina kubeera ano olwokuba te about my past is past tetuliving am past yaffe nemere mu past nti nali mugagga nafunako $1 million nnya nezigwawo nemeraawo no nina okuyimuka because I'm a strong woman and it's time okwekuŋŋaanya nganze black ndabe what is the best for me sikikolera gwe sikikolera muntu yenna nkikolera nze n'abaana bange sikikolera n'abasajja bange by the way it's me I want to change my life so nina okusoma njagala next time we musanga nga I have an office nina branch so to ebintu byekiyaye byonna I think it's time ntandise okuva mu youth ntandise okuva mu age y'aba youth so it means ngenda fuuka mukyala I'm 32 and I want to be a proud mother njagala at least even my children we banaasangawo all my past bajjaga but our mother she was one of the strongest women in the world you're trying to change she tried everything so this is what me it's a new me tewali kintu kyonna kiri behind it I just decided to change because only fools give up before full time sisobola giving up mukimanyi mwenna I'm a very strong woman I'm an ex-con nsobola okuddayo okusoma nsobola okusalawo okuyingira politics nembeera politician nembeera MP bintu bingi I'm still young kyali kito I'm still young so this is the opportunity this is an international university which has the branches almost all over the world balina branches nyingi nnyo so nina emikisa mingi nnyo and I thank God for the blessings ezifallinganga amazzi I'm so grateful and nebaza the management the directors and everyone for Victoria University not to criticize or not to criticize you know not to judge. They didn't judge me because eranga waba wadenze mbera ni Matthew 7 natona judginga muntu soko kebera akasekera akakuli kuliso you don't have right to judge me so ebyo bijjo kuba ebigambo byange about my past is my past being a prostitute it wasn't a choice and I call upon them for a change you have a chance to change niwadde ng'okyali mu bbala you a prostitute you still have a change that is not a decision you do by yourself. Prostitute it's not a being a prostitute it's not a choice ngokera kumacha nogamba no let me go in the band I start selling my body it's difficult challenges I don't want it to drive me emotion this so kind person by the way muchimanyi I'm so kind so chembadde mbagamba mbukyekyo njagala basingle mothers nabo babeere bagumu chances are there but buli kimu kikola ng'otaddemu amaanyi so ebyo so about my past biki all the wars I have in media me I'm a very nice person and the problem with me I don't let someone to pull me during eyo chancellor nkola bubi because nakulira Muslims ate ntobye nnyo kati omuntu wavayo n'abulinga and people want to put me down this is not Chantal. So sometimes mbadde nga lulinga nwanaba because I'm not educated. This time I'm not going to fight back. I'm well educated. I'm representing something special. So no any war, no anything which is not necessary. I'm going to be guided by Iblake Mukasa, is my agent. So I'm not going to receive any more interview unless you have to contact.
Buli yenna ali eyo okujja okwegulira akuuma kuba kaakati nze sindise ssente zange olwaleero era akuuma kaakano kantuuseeko nkafunye okuva mu Baronald Sons Kireka Kamuli Road. Neera nze natandika okwenogera ssente n'olw'ensonga eyo bakyala bannange mwenna abali eyo muleke kukkiriza COVID batuulako. Njagala mugende musindike busindisi ssente deliverance akuuma nga kakutuukako deliverance yaba Ronald Sons.
Tulina ekika ky'emberenge oba seeds ezisiikibwamu popcorn. Popcorn oyo mulungi simanyisi nti buli popcorn abwatuka. Kati bali antisanizi twasala tuba customers bafuna obuzibu okufuna ekika ky'emberenge ezizibwatuka obulungi. Kati popcorn oyo wali ku office abwatuka obulungi. Gwe kola order yo eyetaze emberenge ezo ne akuumako tujja tubikutuusaako wona woli.
Ne Ronald Sons Kireka bayiza kuma akasika popcorn sika masanyalaze weyambisa matuma ndagasigiri.